Picture yourself enveloped in a profound sense of calm amidst the chaos of daily life. Your mind, once cluttered with thoughts and worries, now finds solace in a tranquil state of being. Stress melts away, replaced by a deep inner peace that resonates within your very core. This isn't a distant dream, but a state you can access right here, right now. The key lies in the transformative power of mindful presence. Feeling overwhelmed by the constant noise and demands of modern life, desperately searching for a moment of calm, you're not alone. In this video, I'll share practical, easy-to-implement techniques that will guide you directly to a deeper sense of serenity, making inner peace accessible right where you are. Diving into the depths of mindful presence reveals a treasure trove of benefits. It enhances our ability to fully engage with life's moments, fostering a profound connection between our inner selves and the world around us. But how do we unlock this potential? The solution lies in the practice of bringing awareness to the present moment. By anchoring ourselves to the here and now, we can transform everyday experiences into opportunities for growth and inner peace. One powerful technique for cultivating mindful presence is the practice of deep breathing. When life's demands threaten to overwhelm us, our breath becomes a lifeline to tranquility. By consciously slowing down our breath and feeling its life-giving energy, we activate a natural state of relaxation. Inhale deeply, feeling your stomach expand like a balloon, and exhale slowly, releasing tension with each breath. As you continue this rhythmic dance of inhalation and exhalation, you'll find your heart rate calming down and a sense of grounding taking hold. Deep breathing is a portable oasis of calm, allowing you to find peace even in the midst of a bustling crowd. Another invaluable tool in our mindful presence toolkit is the practice of body scan meditation. In our fast-paced world, it's easy for us to disconnect from our physical sensations and get lost in a whirlwind of thoughts and emotions. Body scan meditation invites us to bring our attention back to the present moment by tuning into the subtle whispers of our body. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and gently shift your focus to different parts of your body, noticing any sensations without judgment. As you mentally scan your body, you'll likely encounter a range of feelings, from the warmth of your skin to the gentle beating of your heart. Some sensations might bring a smile to your face, while others may cause discomfort. Allow all these feelings to be present without trying to change or eliminate them. This practice is about cultivating a deep sense of acceptance and appreciation for the richness of human experience. Over time, body scan meditation not only fosters a profound connection with your physical self, but also equips you with the ability to recognize and manage your emotions more effectively. In essence, it's a journey inward that ripples outward, transforming your relationship with your body and enhancing your overall well-being. The tapestry of mindful living, the practice of mindful walking, emerges as a powerful thread, weaving presence into our daily activities. Walking, an act we perform countless times throughout the day, transforms into a meditative experience when we infuse it with mindful awareness. As you embark on a walk, whether in a bustling city street or amidst the tranquility of nature, pay attention to the sensations beneath your feet as you take each step. Feel the ground firm yet yielding beneath you, grounding you to the earth. Notice the gentle sway of your body with each stride, moving in harmony with the rhythm of your breath. As you continue your walk, allow your senses to come alive. Listen to the symphony of sounds that surround you, from the chirping of birds to the distant hum of the city. Feel the caress of the wind on your skin and the sun's warm embrace. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to the sensations of walking. With every step, you're not merely covering distance, you're cultivating a deep sense of connection between your body, your breath, and the environment that envelops you. Mindful walking is a celebration of the beauty of everyday existence, reminding us that peace is not a distant destination, but a state we can access in every moment. As we navigate the complexities of modern living, the practice of mindful eating offers a sanctuary of presence amidst the busyness of daily life. Mindful eating is not just about nourishing our bodies, but about cultivating a deep sense of awareness and appreciation for the nourishment that sustains us. Before partaking in a meal, take a moment to pause and observe your food. Notice its vibrant colors, enticing aromas, and the textures that tantalize your senses. As you begin to eat, Chew slowly and savor each bite, allowing the flavors to dance on your tongue. Pay attention to the feeling of fullness that gradually envelops your body, signaling your body's contentment. In this sacred space of mindful consumption, you'll not only nourish your physical needs, but also foster a profound connection with your body's wisdom. It's a practice that invites you to listen to your body's cues, honoring its needs and appreciating the nourishment it receives. The transformative power of mindful presence extends to the realm of interpersonal relationships, enhancing our ability to connect with others on a deeper level. When we bring mindful awareness to our interactions, we create a ripple effect of positivity that touches the lives of those around us. Picture yourself in a conversation, truly listening to the person in front of you. As they share their thoughts and feelings, resist the urge to formulate your response. Instead, allow their words to resonate within you, acknowledging their emotions and experiences. Respond with empathy and understanding, reflecting back what you hear and validate their perspective. In doing so, you'll foster a sense of safety and trust, creating a bond that deepens with each mindful interaction. Furthermore, when we infuse mindfulness into our interactions, we become more attuned to our own emotional landscape. We learn to recognize and process our emotions in a healthy way, which in turn allows us to express ourselves authentically and compassionately. This journey of self-discovery and emotional awareness enables us to be more empathetic and understanding not only towards others, but also towards ourselves. In the tapestry of our daily lives, there are moments that stand out, calling for our full attention and presence. These moments, whether joyous or sorrowful, hold immense significance, shaping our memories and influencing our well-being. The art of mindful witnessing allows us to fully embrace these pivotal moments without judgment or distraction. Imagine witnessing a breathtaking sunset with a loved one. As the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, allow yourself to be fully immersed in the experience. Don't check your phone or think about the pending tasks. Simply stand there and appreciate the beauty unfolding before your eyes. Let the awe-inspiring sight fill you with gratitude and wonder. Similarly, when faced with challenging moments such as a heartfelt goodbye, practice the art of mindful witnessing. Be fully present with the person saying their final farewell. Allow yourself to feel the range of emotions that arise, from sadness to acceptance. In these moments of parting, find solace in the depth of the connection you shared and the memories you've created together. Mindful witnessing is a testament to the power of presence in enriching our lives. It's a reminder that true fulfillment comes not from constantly seeking more, but from fully embracing and appreciating what already exists. Cultivating mindful presence is a journey that invites us to slow down, to savor each moment, and to connect with the world around us in a more profound way. It's a practice that holds the promise of inner peace, deeper connections, and a life enriched with meaning and joy. So as you navigate the tapestry of your daily life, remember to anchor yourself to the present moment. Feel the ground beneath your feet, breathe deeply, and immerse yourself in the beauty of each passing moment. With each conscious breath and intentional action, you'll weave the threads of mindful presence into the fabric of your life, creating a tapestry of serenity and fulfillment. And if you found solace and insight in this exploration of mindful presence, know that you're not alone. There's a community of individuals who are also on this journey, seeking peace and presence in an ever-evolving world. Your story of inner peace begins with a single step, a step towards presence. Presence in every moment. Presence in every breath. Presence in every interaction. Let this journey be a source of strength, guidance, and comfort as you continue to explore the depths of your inner peace.